Hello everyone, today in this video we're going to do an unboxing and I'm super stoked for this. This is from Olight or Ostation. I have a couple of Olight products that I'm extremely happy with. So here's what we have. We have a 3-watt AC to DC power supply. Us old timers call these wall warts. Okay, a really nice quality USB cord as well, and this is actually smaller than I thought it was going to be, so that's pretty cool. It's got some weight to it, a little bit of heft. Anyway, I don't know if I'm going to describe this properly, but this is basically an automated battery charger, but an automated smart battery charger, which is way cool. So basically this will charge nickel metal hydride batteries and lithium. And this is really exciting because nickel metal hydride batteries run at 1.2 volts and lithiums run at 1.5. They hold a charge longer. They have just a better operating characteristic as far as run times and all that goes. So I'm really excited to try these. Now these are kind of like a smart battery. From what I understand, these have like a BMS system, a battery management system in here, and they go together with this station. Or if you want this to work properly and monitor these properly, you have to get the Ostation batteries. I've looked them up. They're very affordable. For like a pack of 4, they're only like $6 more than standard nickel metal hydride batteries. So what I thought was neat about this is you can put these batteries in pretty much any order. You don't have to worry about a polarity. So you can just basically just drop them in these little chutes here, and it'll sort them out, which is positive and negative, and then give you a readout on this beautiful screen. This is nice. And this is what I thought was cool. I love these Olight flashlights. I have the Arc Pro and the Arc Pro Ultra. And these have the little magnetic chargers on there. So you can just pull that out and charge those while you're using this device as well, or independently. All right, you guys stay tuned and thanks for watching.